CNT140 Troubleshooting Lab. We are looking at problem cable number 6, the split pair. Now, split pair, this one's a little tougher to kind of diagnose, but our meters have gotten better over the years, so they're able to actually pick this up for you pretty quickly. A split pair would be an example where you've taken a wire pair and you've split it so that it's in the wrong slots on your either your connector here or the outlet jack or the patch panel. It usually happens on this kind of scenario. If you remember your color coders, you know, the white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown, where you have the blues in the middle and the green surrounding it. If you accidentally go white, blue, white, green, green, white, blue, blue, you have now wired them where you've split them apart, that they're not wired in the correct spot. And if you do that on both ends, you're going to create a split pair. And the problem there is you have caused the wire pairs to not be twisted together as they are wired with the sends and receives. So let's hook up a split pair here. And actually our continuity meters have gotten really good that they're able to kind of pick that up of like, hey, that's not quite right. So let's give this guy a test here. And it's coming up and saying, hey, you got a split pair between 1, 2, and 3, 6. Oranges and greens, if you will. So let's do a test on this guy. 1, 2 is showing up split. And 3, 6 is showing up split. And 4, 5 is okay. So the blues and the browns are okay. So that, you know, kind of an odd split here. And where it tends to happen for me if I do it is if you're having trouble reading the color code, maybe the color code's a little faint on something, and you mix up the white brown and the white orange wire on both ends. They would be easy to, you know, tough to tell apart if it's really faint or the color code's faint. So in this case, if I encounter that, I literally have to re-terminate both ends because I've done the same problem on both ends. So let's take a look at this guy right here and see what he comes up with. And he's actually saying the same thing. He's like, hey, I see it wired straight through, but I'm detecting that these wire pairs are not twisted together like they should be for cancellation. So it's actually showing on the right over there, they're split. Okay, that's what that's actually showing you. So it's wired straight through. There's connection, but the wires are not twisted together in pairs like it should be. That's what's going on. And if I looked at this cable, what you end up seeing is you have white, orange, green, white, green, orange. I think it's, oh no, we have the orange out further. We have white, orange, green, blue, white, orange. So we had a case where the orange and the greens are getting flip-flopped. So it's kind of an odd split in this case, but that's what's going on, creating that split pair. So in this case, I would need to re-terminate both ends of this cable or my cable run. And I've had it happen where I have like the white orange and the white brown are tough to read, and I terminate them wrong on both ends. So I would need to literally re-terminate both ends to fix that.